What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. I'm doing some grocery shopping in Walmart and I wanted to bring you guys along. I figured if I got enough footage for a video, I would put a video together of items that are on clearance in the grocery area for the week. And right away, I'm finding lots of grocery items. I found clearance Go-Gurt for $4.46. We have Chobani for 66 cents. This is $3.36. Greek yogurt, down just $1.12. We also have the Lala yogurt smoothie drinks for $2.49 and the Danimal smoothies for $3.09. We also have the Stonyfield Organic Kids strawberry bananas for $3.63. We're gonna keep it moving, you guys, and see what else we can find. I know there's a clearance area down there. I'm definitely gonna be sharing that with you guys. And I'm really hungry. So this is a really dangerous time to shop. I just found more clearance, the mini spooners, the 36-ounce size in strawberry cream. These are $2 each. These are back here, but they're like $7 and some change. Totally not a good deal. We have pecan butter for $3.75. For $2.52. We have some natural light beer flavored peanuts. We have garbanzo beans in the pack, but they're not marked. A lot of these items here in my store aren't marked. We have some chili y limon flavored peanuts for $1.41. We have a scoop cake kit for $2.80. Organic brown rice spaghetti for $1.39 is gluten-free. These are pitted Kalamata olives for 83 cents. We also have this variety here. These are pitted green olives, $1.12 for some sweet relish. We also have some pure peppermint extract. However, it's not marked. If you guys want to hold your device up to the screen and give it a scan and see what it is in your store. This is the Watkins brand. Some of these are marked $3.36 and some of these are marked $2.52. I think they're $2.52. And again, that's for how many ounces? I'm not really sure. 10 ounces. We have PB Fit for $5.99. We have the Slim Jim Chicharrones Squealin' Hot. Again, they're also not marked. For 56 cents. We have some chocolatey pearls. We have a milk chocolate hot fudge for $2.61 by the Sanders brand, and some Uncle Ben's Ready Beans and Rice. Again, it's not marked, but it's back here. 98-cent Italian beans, 28 ounces, or for $1.12, you could get the 38-ounce size. That's a really nice price. Those are normally about $2, a little over $2. We also have black beans back here. I have a feeling these might be for 25 cents, but I'm not sure, you guys. Hold your device up to the screen and scan if you want to see what they're going to be in your store. I have a feeling they're probably going to be 25 cents. Donuts over here, those are not on clearance. The beef jerky is $5 and some change, $7.49. How much was this? Oh, naturally occurring probiotics, no, prebiotics. The honey was normally like $10 at $7.49. 12 cans of Vienna sausage for $4.31. Slim tea for $4.47. Knorr pasta sides in cheesy cheddar. Again, not marked. So sorry. Guru organic energy drink, $14.39. Down from like $25 and some change. Wow. And this store is always sold out on the eggs. Like, always. You guys, I'm finding more clearance, more food clearance. And it's been a really long time since I've done a grocery video. So if you guys are missing my grocery videos, definitely let me know and tell me what you want to see next time I come in. Wow, we had some what? Some onion strips for 75 cents on clearance, some corn, an 8 count of corn on the cob for 65 cents, bee coconut for 85 cents. Sorry you guys, I don't know what all of these are. We have a Nona Tokyo ramen for 150. Oh, wow. How much is this? Is this one of them? Chicken strips for $5 was $6.47. Definitely check out your freezer section. Pumpkin pies are just $3.48. Do you guys remember that time we found amazing clearance deals down the ice cream aisle? That was so much fun. $2.50 was $2.98. All the Ruffles chips, Flamin' Hot, lime and jalapeno, jalapeno ranch, cheddar and sour cream, queso, cheese, zesty cheddar original. I'm getting so hungry. We also have a rollback on bubbly. These were $3.38. Apple is $2.98. I think all the bubblies are $2.98 right now. Grapefruit. I really love the mango one. I don't really like the watermelon one that much. I don't like the cranberry, but I do like the grapefruit, and I love the mango. I haven't tried all of them, but I'm gonna say mango is my favorite so far. We also have a clearance on Great Value lemonade. Let's see if we have any more clearance drinks. I guess I didn't get very far. We already have enough content for a video. You guys already know it's probably going to be totally gone. Wait, does my store have some? To those of you that watch TikTok, the cranberry juice, I think it's the cran raspberry. You guys know the video that I'm talking about. You guys know the TikTok. Ocean Spray has seen a crazy, crazy high sellout rate due to one particular TikTok. And if you guys watch TikTok, you guys already know the video I'm talking about. Cranberry juice has just been sounding really delicious lately. Seeing everyone drink it's just kind of tempting. Like, I've always loved cranberry juice. But my store actually has some in stock. And it's under $3 for 100% real juice. And then we also have the Diet Ocean Spray. We have the Diet 5 calorie, and we also have the Light. What is this doing here with the Ocean Spray? Welch's, what are you doing over here? You guys wanted me to take you down the cleaning aisle, didn't you? I've been having some requests lately. It smells so good down this aisle. I love the cleaning aisle. But you guys tell me down in the comments if your store is like mine, because I still haven't seen Lysol and all of those products. Like, this has been empty for months. However, we do have some cleaner and bleach cleanup by Clorox, a couple varieties, and the Microban, and the antibacterial Mr. Clean, and the Spick and Span. And then of course we have options at Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Family Dollar. But this area has remained empty. All of the wipes. I don't know, you guys, do you think they're even sending wipes to the stores anymore? Or are they just all going to the workers? Because I know the workers definitely need them. And the hospitals need them, and the daycares, and the schools. We have regular bleach. Ooh. I love this one, you guys. This one is so good. I shared a TikTok about this last week, and I bought one. I loved it so, so much. We also have Forest. I haven't smelled that one. Pine, vanilla, cranberry. sea spray. These are the light ones. Ocean, I haven't smelled Ocean yet either. This is my old standby. I love the Gain one. And then the Lavender Fields. I don't know if they have that one in stock, but that one kind of smells like a men's cologne. I also have this one, but I haven't used it. It's in my couponing stockpile. That's the Mediterranean Lavender. I also have a couple of those. But yeah, you guys, I think I'm gonna end it here and get serious about my grocery list because I'm getting hungry and I know my kids are getting hungry, and they're actually with me today because they had dentist appointments. So I don't wanna let them get too hungry because it's almost time to head home and have something to eat. But hey, you guys, thank you so much for coming along. If you guys want to see more Walmart videos, definitely check out one of my Walmart playlists, or maybe check out one of my Walmart clearance playlists. You guys know I have lots and lots of playlists for you if you're in the mood to cook or clean and binge to some of my videos. But all right, you guys, that's it for me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.